Okay, today we're here at Knott's Berry Farm for the Boysenberry Festival, and I went to the Wilderness Dance Hall and got their goat cheese, apricot, and boysenberry Thai chili jam crostini kit with grapes. That's like just named everything on the plate. So here are the grapes. Some of the crostini have cheese already baked in. Probably Parmesan. Okay, I put some of the jam on there and then some of the goat cheese. Let me try it out. This is very, very crunchy. Put the grape on there too. Yeah, it's very, very crunchy. Crunchiest bread I've ever had. But the jam and the cheese and the grape cups should go well with it. The goat cheese gives you a little bit of a savory taste. So this is on the Knott's Berry Farm Boysenberry Tasting Card, or it is $11 if you have to buy it. But you do get this nice plate, and the plate actually has a hole for if you have a drink, stemmed drink, you know, with the jam there. So I'm not sure if it's worth $11, but it's probably worth it on the card. This is not a real meal. It's more like a snack. Unless, I guess, no, but this cheese, well, vegetarians, they could eat this. So if you're vegetarian and you want something, then try this one out. On the card, and for a vegetarian meal, I would give it an A. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.